It all begins in the orchard, where ripeness meets precision.
Only the finest fruit is selected for the journey ahead. From field to factory, freshness must travel fast. The first cleanse washes away the dust of the journey. Precision sorting defines the path of quality. Machines take over where speed meets consistency. Uniform cuts prepare the fruit for transformation. Subtle treatments preserve both taste and texture. Controlled heat slowly unlocks concentrated sweetness. Transformation begins as moisture fades away. Perfection lies in the details often unseen. A final rinse ensures purity at every level. Balance is key before the next transformation. Balance is key before the next transformation. Air prepares what heat will complete. Technology refines quality with unmatched precision. Even spacing ensures even results. Time and heat work together in silent harmony. Every batch is measured against perfection. Cooling locks in the final texture. Only the perfect balance passes the human touch. Uniformity defines the final presentation. Safety checks guard every bite. A final polish enhances natural appeal. Flavor is refined without overpowering nature. Consistency is crafted through careful blending. Science verifies what eyes cannot see. Preparation sets the stage for protection. Precision ensures every pack meets its promise. Sealed tight, freshness is locked inside. Identity transforms product into brand. The final human check ensures nothing is overlooked. Accuracy is verified down to the last gram. Every pack carries its story of origin. Individual packs unite for the journey ahead. Secured tightly, ready to withstand transit. Order in stacking ensures stability in motion. A protective layer shields the final product. From production to storage, the chain continues. Every pallet is tracked with digital precision.
Order number E789, batch 45678, pallet ID matches. Rack 5, mid-level, proceed.
Global demand guides the next movement.
Looks good. Confirm.
Every shipment is verified and recorded. Alignment ensures a seamless transfer. Each pallet finds its place in the global chain.
Straps tight, barriers set. Doors closing now.
Sealed tight, ready to cross borders. The journey continues beyond the factory walls. Miles ahead carry the promise of global reach. From land to sea, logistics take control. And this is how modern factories produce dried mangoes from start to finish.